Hi, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to go over or do a quick walkthrough on a 32 Vantage, one of my favorite boats to run. Nice wide beam. I love the dual console. It's multi-purpose. You can go fishing, you can hang out with the family, and you have plenty of room to do everything you want. Very ergonomical head. Helm station right here. Mercury digital throttle shift. Does come with the joystick with twin 300 Mercury outboards. VHF Raymarine, twin Raymarine screens there, and the Fusion Bluetooth radio. The Lenco trim tabs. Behind us is actually going to be where you hit your battery switches, keep your keys there. Let's make our way to the bow. So right here, we actually have the bow filler cushion in. A lot of space up here. And then if you take this, I'm not the tallest guy, but you can see this right here. And just Boston Whaler quality. When you lift this thing up, you feel it. You really do feel it. And you got a ton of coverage, a lot of protection from the wind right there. Whew. All right, so quick right here, you have the head on the starboard side. And then over here on the port side, you have a little tuck away cabin, they call it. The kids want to get out of the sun, maybe you want to take a quick nap, you can do that. A lot of storage underneath right here. Okay, as you can see, we use this for storage as well. This side, it's kind of got the bolster seats. You kind of hang out here, get comfortable, put it back up. It's a good passenger spot right there, and it's got a power switch up and down, which is really cool, I think. Come back over here. Little area, little prep station. You got your sink, live wells right here. Little cooler maybe, or put some ice in there for some cocktails. Right here, you got a ton of storage. You got a lot of space to put whatever you need. Maybe life jackets, towels, blankets. Or there's a nice little mechanism to put it down. Put that down. You can lay this one all the way flat too. Huge sun pad, huge. Put it back up. You get a couple different spots you can go. There you go. Now, come right over here. That just connects right here to the front storage. As you can see right here, that's actually going to be your dive door ladder. So you hook that right up. Maybe the kids jump off here. I would jump off there. Or if you catch a big tuna, you put it on right there. This bench, huge, right here. Like I said, you can put a lot of people on this boat, a lot of entertaining space. Those twin 300s I was talking about, this is the white upgrade. Lift this up, there's your hatch, you can see your batteries, your trim tab hydraulic systems. You got a fish box right here and right here. Rod holders. This actually has a power sunshade too. Goes all the way out, covers you. So you put that back out here, and you're covered from the sun and all the elements. All right. So a quick walkthrough on the 32 Vantage. I'm Matt Roulette at MarineMax Danvers. If you have any questions about this boat or any other of my boats in my inventory, just give me a call, 603-320-5524. Thank you.